The pizza delivery boy. One day, as the manager of a large company was heading to his office, he noticed a young man standing by the wall, gazing around. Curious, he approached the young man and asked, "What's your monthly income?" The young man responded with surprise, "I make around $2,000 a month." The manager, somewhat flustered, reached into his pocket, took out $6,000 from his wallet, handed it to the young man, and said, "This is your salary for 3 months. Go and don't let me catch you here again. We pay our employees to work, not to stand around and look idle." With joy, the young man quickly jumped up and left. The manager turned to another employee nearby and inquired, "Which department did that young man work in?" The employee, puzzled by his manager's behavior, replied, "He was a pizza delivery boy who had brought pizza for the staff."